Hey y'all, it's Carl and Homestead. I am back. My wife bought me this for my birthday. It's a Pittsburg Automotive mechanics roller seat for my shop for when I start my project with the antique vehicle, my vintage vehicle. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and put it together and do a little review on it. No going away, guys. Let me get set up. I'll be right back with you. Okay guys, hoping you can see this. Anyway, the parts according to the parts list is we have the seat cushion, we have the support frames, we have washers, screws, nuts, and casters right here in the plastic bag. We also have the tray, which is right here, and then the base frame, which is right here. And also we have the reinforcement bars, which are mounted under the seat. So let me get started on this and I'll be right back with you. Alright guys, what we're going to do first is we're going to go ahead and connect the support frame to the tray and the base frame. So what we're going to use is we're going to use the larger bolts that's supplied according to instructions, and we'll go ahead and looks like we come in from the bottom with that. Alright guys, what we're going to do first is we're going to put the, we're going to install the support frame to the tray and the base frame. And what we need to do that is we're going to go ahead and use the 4 larger bolts, pass them to the bottom of the base frame, the tray, then through the support frame. Now we take our flat washers, the larger flat washers, we get 4, and the M8 nuts is what they're called. And we'll go ahead and hand tighten as much as we can until we put both frames on, then we'll tighten the rest of the way. Gotta take it a little easier with my finger. It's much better, but it's still injured. Alright, taking frame number 2, support frame number 2, installing it to the tray and base frame. 2 more washers. And 2 more M8 nuts. Okay. Now, what I'm going to use for this to tighten this up is I have a socket that will go down up in there, and I'm going to use an open wrench or closed-in wrench to hold the bottom while I tighten up the top, or vice versa. Now what we're going to do is mount our cushion seat. Now this is going to be kind of hard. Remember, I'm blind in my left eye, my depth perception is off, and this is going to be kind of hard for me to do, but have a little patience with me guys, we'll get it done. Okay guys, seats on. Last but not least, I think, for the casters. So what we need to do, these go in from the top, and casters, of course, from the bottom. And we tighten them up. Then we use the hand tighten. Then we're going to go ahead and use the Allen wrench to complete the tightening. To completely tighten the casters. Okay, let's go ahead and tighten this one up to a point where I don't have to worry about it falling out. Alright. Alright, there you have it, guys. That's my mechanics roller seat. And I don't know. Blind man can do it. Blind in one eye and put it together, no problems. It looks like everything lined up well. And let's go ahead and put it on the ground. Let me sit on it and see what happens. Alright guys. Rolls fine, works fine, feels fine. I think we got it. Alright guys, I'm happy with the product. Everything went together as it should. Everything lined up. All the bolts, everything are tightened. Tried it out. I'm happy with it. For the price, you can't beat it. I bought this at Harbor Freight, and this is a Pittsburg mechanics roller chair. I'm pretty happy. The price, for the price I paid for this thing and putting it together wasn't that bad. Guys, if you like Carl and Dawn's Homestead channel, please subscribe to our channel. It means a lot to us. Also, comment and press that like button, guys. That means a lot to us also. Until next video, I'll see you next time. Just about ready to start my project on my antique car now. Talk to you later, guys.